about to get on the Disney Skyliner. I am so excited. Here it goes, look at it. I am getting on at Pop Century Resort, or you can also Art of Animation depending on where you're staying. It's right there. We will go to Caribbean Beach Resort and to Disney's Riviera Resort, then on to the parks. Stay tuned.
So where will we go today? Meet me out among the endless possibilities. We'll laugh all the clouds away. I know someday we'll have to stay, but where will we go today?
Hi guys, I am on Disney Skyliner by myself. Check that out. Nobody else is on with me. So I'm leaving Pop Century and heading eventually to Epcot, but it's gonna be a fun ride. Here, let's do it together. Yay, we're going. Hey, I'm not scared of heights, but if you're scared of heights, this might be scary for you. I have to personally say, I love it.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
We're getting close to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, and you can see Disney's Riviera over in the distance.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. This is our final destination. All passengers must disembark at this station. Transfers and return service are available. Thank you for flying with us. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
So I've ridden the Skyliner from Pop Century to Caribbean Beach. Now I want to go to Epcot. So let's see where I need to go. Okay, Riviera and Epcot is over here to my right. Hollywood Studios is right over there. Or of course you can take those back to Art of Animation and Pop Century. So this is the central hub that you decide where you want to go next. So I am going to go to Epcot. So I'm going to go get in this queue and get on the next Skyliner.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we will be taking a scenic spin around the Skyliner turn station. Please remain seated. This station was designed for turning only. If you are planning to visit World Showcase today, now might be a good time to practice your hola, ni hao, and konnichiwa. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language, helping make your visit to Epcot a truly international exchange. Coming into view is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic Beach Town and turn-of-the-century amusement parks.
Ratatouille ride.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at Epcot. This concludes your journey aboard the Disney Skyliner. All passengers must disembark at this station. Return service.
I just rode Disney Skyliner all the way from Pop Century to Epcot, and it was amazing. I loved it. It was like a ride. It's your first ride that you get to ride before you even get on any rides. It was fun. It was relaxing. It was peaceful. You got to see some cool construction of Ratatouille. You can kind of see it that way. And it was just a really neat experience. Well done, Disney. I really enjoyed my Skyliner ride and can't wait to do it again.